Hello children, how are you all? You have enjoyed the last lesson, Swan with the golden feathers, right? So that you have enjoyed, and later you have enjoyed the healthy fruits and vegetables. So are you eating all the fruits and vegetables? Very good. So now, today we are going to learn a new one and a new message how we should do the work. Okay, so here what is that? Mongoose and Brahmin's wife. Mongoose and Brahmin's wife. So, do you know all of you what is mongoose? Have you seen? Yes, see the picture there. Mongoose. Yes, can you remember now? Very good. And Brahmin's wife. So, Brahmin's wife means Brahmin, you know, na? Who does pujas in temples, right? So, those people. So that Brahmin's wife here, she is called as Brahmini. In this story, she is called as Brahmini. Okay children, so shall we start the story? So what happened? What is this mongoose? And what happened? This Brahmin's wife, what did she do? That we can see. But before going to this, some few points we should learn. What is that? Have you ever done any work in haste? Have you ever done any work in haste? What is the meaning of haste? Haste means hurried. So hurriedly or fast in act. So hurriedly. So haste, hurriedly, without thinking. Without thinking, very fast if you do. That we call it haste. Okay. So have you done any work in haste? Without thinking, very fast, hurriedly. Have you done any work? Yes, you did. So if you do that work, what happened the result? Did you succeed in that? No, right? So definitely we fail or we commit some mistake, right? So any work in the sense, suppose your brother said, I have eaten your chocolate. Immediately what do you say? Why do you eat? Why did you eat? That is my chocolate. You immediately try to beat your brother or sister, right? But really whether your brother or sister had eaten or not, do you check it again? And later you talk to them? No. When they said immediately we try to beat them. Right? Yes, is it correct? But when we find it later, no, I didn't eat, by me. Jovially I said, like that they are telling sometimes. Right? So like that, here also, in the fast, in the speed, so we cannot take any decisions. So that decision sometimes small mistake or sometimes we may commit big mistakes also. So that kind of problems also arise. So that's why any work, first think and do that work. So see this one. Do you ever harm anybody without thinking? So did you ever harm anybody without thinking? Yes, of course, you didn't, you are very good children. But suppose without thinking if you do any work, is it harm to others or not? 100%. Definitely some harm will happen. Yes, now I told you, you start beating your brother or sister without thinking about it. What happened later? Without eating the chocolate, without eating the ice cream, you have beaten, right? So, that is sometimes it's harm to others. So never take the decisions hurriedly and carelessly. Yes, very fast or very carelessly we cannot take any decisions. The result that comes out after it always adverse. So the result, suppose without thinking, very fast and carelessly, if we take any decision, what happened? Later we get the result adverse. Adverse means misfortune. Adverse means misfortune. Adverse means misfortune. What is this misfortune? Fortune means good luck, good thing to happen. Misfortune means bad things will happen. Okay children. So read the story of a Brahmin and his wife who brought a mongoose for the care of their son, but Brahmin killed mongoose in haste. Okay, so here see the story how Brahmin and his wife who brought a mongoose for care of their son. Yes, here pet animal for that mongoose they brought. And but Brahmini, that is Brahmin's wife, killed mongoose in haste, in hurriedly. So without thinking, she killed her. She killed it. Why? What happened? Let's see in the story. So let's start the story. What happened? Why did she kill that mongoose? So what did he think in haste? So what did he do? What did she do in haste? That we can see in this lesson. See the lesson. A long time ago, yes, it is also a story na. So long ago, once upon a time, right? Same way here. A long time ago, there lived a Brahmin named Deva Sharma with his wife. There lived a Brahmin named Deva Sharma with his wife. What is the name of the Brahmin? Yes, very good. Deva Sharma. Deva Sharma. So he was living with his wife. So they were blessed with a son. So who has there? Yes, they have a son. So they were blessed with a son. The baby used to be alone for most of the time as the Brahmin went out to conduct religious rituals, and the Brahmini got busy with the household work. So the baby used to be alone, lonely, only one baby in a boy. So that boy always spends time alone because no friends, no siblings. That's why he was alone for most of the time, because the Brahmin means you know that who does pujas in the temple, right? So they have every day morning and evening and afternoon also some puja vratas like this. They have work. That's why he goes out, and his wife also always busy with the household work. Yes, your mummy, if you see morning to evening some work she is doing in the household, right? So like that she was also very busy. That's why they have no time to spend the time with baby. Then the baby was alone. So what happened? The baby used to be alone for most of the time as the Brahmin went out conduct religious rituals. So conduct, what is the meaning of conduct? So that is the behavior, person's behavior, we call it conduct. Conduct means here the manner in which a person's behavior, in which a person behaves. So how the person, how the boy, how the girl, how the man, how the woman, anyone, how they behave, that is called conduct, we call it. So conduct religious. So how does he behave? He does the works of religious rituals. Religious rituals. So rituals means services. Rituals means here religious services. Rituals means the religious services. The religious services that he was doing. Okay, so the Brahmin went out to conduct religious rituals, and the Brahmin got busy. Brahmini got busy with the household work. So Brahmini, who is Brahmini here? That she is Brahmin's wife. Brahmin's wife. So he goes out for other works, and she was busy at home with household work. So the Brahmin thought of buying a pet animal for the baby who would not only protect the child but also give him company when both parents were busy. So see that. So the Brahmin thought of buying a pet animal. Yes, if baby is alone, so something should give. So that's why if we give any pet animal, the baby can enjoy with that. So but what kind of pet animal? Yes, for the baby, who would not only protect the child. So the pet animal should protect the child, but also give him company when both the parents were busy. So one is that pet animal should protect the child, And another work also should do that. It should give company to the baby boy whenever these parents were busy. So because Brahmin and Brahmini both are busy now, whenever they are busy, at that time this pet animal should give company, should be entertained to the boy, that boy. And at the same time it should protect the boy also, it should save the boy also from any kind of dangers. So that is the that he thought about it. And the Brahmini was reluctant but agreed to have a pet later. So but the Brahmini was reluctant. What is the meaning of reluctant? Unwilling, not interested. Reluctant means unwilling or not interested. Okay, the Brahmini means Brahmin's wife. So she was reluctant, she was not interested, she was not willing to take the pet animal, but agreed to have a pet later. First she was not at all interested, but later she agreed to get the pet also. Okay, the next day Brahmin brought a mongoose for their child from the market. See, generally pet animals means any dog or else cat, like this we expect na. But here very differently he brought mongoose. How cute it is, you see. So the next day the Brahmin brought a mongoose for their child from the market. So he went to the market and he bought this mongoose and he brought it. Soon the Brahmin couple started loving the mongoose as their own child. So initially Brahmini was not interested na, but later this Brahmin couple, that is Brahmin and his wife, both of them loved much this mongoose, almost like their own child. So how they love their own baby, the same way they started to love this mongoose also. So yet the Brahmini sometimes feared that the mongoose could harm her son. So but still they love that mongoose, but still this Brahmini has little bit of fear in her heart that it may do some harm to the son, because that is also animal na? That's why she has some kind of doubt, fear. After all, it was just an animal. So it is an animal. So definitely anytime it may behave different way. Human beings means we have some thinking capacity. This is good, this is bad, like that at least we can think. But the animals, can they think like that? No. So maybe sometimes they may do the harm, right? That's why she has little bit of fear in her mind. Maybe because it was just animal. Okay, one day the Brahmini had to go out of the house to fetch water from the nearby pond. So one day, in those days no facilities to get the water na. So nowadays means we have bore wells and direct water we are getting. But in those days they don't have water. So should go to the ponds, nearby ponds, and should get the wells, ponds or wells, and should get the water from it. So like that the Brahmini had to go out of the house to fetch water from the nearby pond. To fetch water. What is the meaning of fetch? Go and bring something. Fetch means go and bring something. That is called fetch. In that meaning we can use the word fetch. So we go somewhere and to bring something. Suppose go and fetch me water. Your parents can ask you, fetch me water. Fetch me water means you are here, you get into the kitchen and get the water for me. For that we can ask, fetch me water. Okay, like this here. So this Brahmini had to go out for the house, had to go out of the house to fetch water from the pond. So to go and bring the water from the pond, she needed to go out of the house. So the Brahmin had also left early for the temple. So on the same day, the Brahmin also went to the temple early only. So with a little apprehension, she left the child with the mongoose. So with a little apprehension. What's the meaning of apprehension? That is nervousness. Apprehension means nervousness. Spelling APPREHENSION. Apprehension. Apprehension means nervousness. Nervousness spelling NERVOUSNESS. Nervousness. Okay, with that nervous feeling means, is it good to leave my son with these mongoose or not? Like this, some doubtful, some tension. So with that doubt only, she left the child with the mongoose. So she left the child with the mongoose and she went to the pond to get the water. So soon after she left, a cobra entered the home. See that. So whenever she left the house, then immediately a cobra, very later, a cobra, snake. So that he entered into the home. So the mongoose sensed the danger of the Brahmin's son and attacked the cobra. So mongoose can smell the movement of snakes, right? So wherever nearby, immediately they can find it and they try to fight, kill them also, right? That's why whenever the cobra entered, this mongoose got the smell, so sensed. So mongoose sensed the danger of the Brahmin's son and attacked the cobra. So immediately it got the sense, yes, the Brahmin son is going to face danger, should save it. That it thought, save the boy. That this mongoose thought it and immediately it attacked the cobra. So he fiercely fought with the cobra and killed it. So fiercely. What's the meaning of fiercely? Aggressively, angrily. Fiercely spelling FIERCELY. Fiercely. That means aggressively. 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 Aggressively, very angrily, so very emotionally, so very fiercely fought with the cobra and killed it. So almost, yes, with the cobra means it's a danger to that mongoose also. But it fought very bravely and at last this mongoose killed the cobra and then that is killed it. When the mongoose heard the footsteps of the Brahmini, it joyfully went out to greet her. So, yes, after killing it, it was eagerly waiting. So, whenever this mongoose heard the Brahmini's footsteps while walking, she can sense now. So, whenever it heard, immediately it went out to greet her. That means I saved this boy. So, I am very happy. With that happiness to express that, this mongoose went out. The Brahmini was terrified to see the blood stains all over the mouth of the mongoose. So, the Brahmini was terrified. Terrified means afraid also we can take it. Afraid means feared. So terrified. Terrified means afraid or fear. Okay. So afraid of that. Afraid to see the blood stains. So that mongoose mouth is completely with the blood. So why? Because it killed the cobra. But what happened? So blood stains all over the mouth of the mongoose. So total mouth, mongoose mouth filled up with the blood. So then this Brahmini worried, feared, afraid of it. So she concluded that the mongoose had killed the child. So she thought that no doubt that much of blood is there means this mongoose killed my son. This mongoose killed my son. That she thought it, and immediately She, without a second thought, she threw a heavy box on mongoose, which killed it instantly. So see that, without a second thought. So first, whenever she saw this blood stains, immediately she thought, no doubt it killed my son. And then she has some heavy box that she had taken and she threw it on the mongoose. That mongoose very small now. So how can it bear? Yes. So immediately that mongoose also killed. So the Brahmini stormed into the house to see the condition of her child. So the Brahmini stormed. Stormed means moved angrily. So stormed means moved angrily. Stormed means moved angrily. So very angrily and fast she moved into the house to see the condition of her son. So what happened to my baby? She had eaten my baby or killed it, or what happened? To see that, she got into the house, and to her great surprise, she found her child peacefully sleeping in the cradle. So cradle, all of you know, uyala we call it. So that is a baby's bed or cot. So cradle means baby's bed or cot. Baby's bed or cot, that we call it cradle. So when she entered into the room, there she was surprised to see that her son was sleeping in the cradle. So what happened? Then she saw a snake turn into pieces lying near the cradle. She realized that the mongoose had saved her child. See how? That is, then she saw a snake turn into pieces. Yes, this mongoose made this cobra into pieces. So where lying near the cradle. So of course that cobra came to kill this boy. But this mongoose saved this boy from that cobra. So near the cradle only pieces of the snake is there. So then she realized the mongoose that had saved her child. So then she understood, she realized what happened. Oh, really? My son was protected by this mongoose from this cobra. This mongoose killed the cobra without bitten by this. So biting to my son, that she thought. The Brahmini was full of sorrow and repentance at her hasty action. So felt worried. Repentance means unknowingly, by mistake, did the mistakes. Unknowingly what we have done the mistake. So for that we realize it. So the Brahmini was full of sorrow. So yes, she felt worried about it, and repentance at her hasty action. So in the hurriedly, without thinking, whatever she thought, and she did the work. For that she felt worried about it. So what happened, dear children? That is why our elders always say that you never act in haste. So yes, always our elders, parents, grandparents, what do they say to you always? Yes, never do any work in haste. So without thinking, don't blame any others. Without thinking, don't scold any others. And without thinking, don't do any work also. Think and do the work, right? Yes, you must think twice before taking any action that cannot be undone. Yes, before doing any kind of work. You think once or twice, then if it is good, you continue the work. Otherwise, you don't start any work without thinking. Because without thinking, if you take any action, so any work, that will be the dangerous to us, and it will be harm to the others also. That's why think and do the work okay, right? So this is the lesson that we have.